all the beneficiaries are going to the sites and they are not being allowed to enter. And one more important issue, sir. Sir, in my constituency, PWD and GHMC quarters were there where people were residing there. In Hyderabad, we do not have land to construct 2 bedrooms, sir. I went there, I pursued them, I spoke to them, I assured them, I gave them the word that kindly vacate this quarters. We'll take a big building of 2 bedroom. On my assurance, on my word, they vacated and the 2 bedroom was constructed. Before starting the construction, sir, a token was given, a patta or passbook whatsoever, or a sanction letter of unit number was given to them, sir. So the building is completed and those poor people who vacated the premises and site on my assurance and on the certificate and the unit number and the patta given to them are not being allowed, sir. Sir, I request the government and the Hyderabad in charge minister to kindly look into this, sir. सर, हम जबान देते हैं, हम बोलते हैं, उसके बाद वो खाली करते हैं, घर बन जाते हैं, उनको घर नहीं मिला तो हम क्या बोलेंगे उनसे? Sir, and at the same time, sir, through you I would like to request, sir, the earlier government, I had demanded in this house that under JNN URM, under weaker section and other WAMBE scheme, houses were constructed right from when Mr. Chandrababu Naidu was a Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister. Sir, वो घर पूरे कमजोर हो गए, dilapidated condition में है. उसके लिए 125 crores of estimate was prepared and HMDA had released 125 to take up the work for those dilapidated condition housing colonies, sir. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा, मेरे पास गौस नगर में वीकर सेक्शन कॉलोनी है, बिल्डिंग है सर, गरीब है, बिल्डिंग ऐसी हो गई कि कभी भी गिर जाएगी. प्लीज सर, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इमीडिएटली उसको मंजूरी दे दें ताकि उन घरों का रिपेयर का काम शुरू हो जाए और वो गरीब परेशान ना हो. क्योंकि मुझे डर है कि अब गर्मा के बाद बारिश का सीजन आएगा कि खुदा ना खास्ता ऐसा ना हो जाए कि बारिश में वो बिल्डिंग गिर जाए या किसी का जानी नुकसान हो. पूरे हैदराबाद एंड सिकंदराबाद के JNNURM बॉम्बे स्कीम में जितने घर बने उनके 125 करोड़ है. आई होप दैट ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब will give me a positive reply on this, sir.